Would you guys believe me if I told you that this was a headband wig that I turned into a U-part versatile sew-in situation? I would like to call myself innovative or some type of engineer. What do you think? I had an old headband wig that I wanted to put to use, and I watched tons of YouTube videos and TikTok videos trying to look for inspiration to see what other ways I could wear my headband wig. But none included the versatility that I was looking for. So after dyeing my headband wig to match my hair color, I cut it in half and cut off the headband portion. I cut it in a way that ensured that no other threads or tracks would be unraveled or loose. I braided my hair down in the braid pattern that you guys see added above, and I sewed that U-part area down. The nape area of my hair is prone to breakage, so I left the combs attached to the wig and I did not sew the back down by choice. Now, to get the area that was going to be both my side part and my middle part as flat as possible, I did cut off thinner pieces to sew down to give myself the desired look that I needed for my side part. I got this headband wig from IC Hair. It is their Afro Kinky Curly in 20 inches. I've had it since last summer and it was under $100, you guys. The exact wig that I did get is in my Amazon storefront if you guys want to check it out. It is a high maintenance texture, but we knew that already if you have 4 type kinky hair. I wanted a little bit more volume, so I cut up an additional piece off of the remaining part of my wig to put it on my side part. Like I said, I cut it in a manner that's not going to interfere with unraveling any of the tracks off of the net. So just like you would do with your own natural hair, you're going to wet your hair, detangle it from tips to root using both a wide tooth comb and a Denman brush. Because this hair is very inexpensive, I'm using some cheap conditioner that I got from Walmart. Both the color and texture match is just chef's kiss. Like, I'm just so in love with the versatility and the lack of heat to have this hairstyle. So after styling the weave, you're gonna now get to your leave out. Due to my hair being color treated and a little bit of heat damage, my hair texture honestly blends in with this weave perfectly. So all I needed was some Eco Styler gel, wetting my hair, and the Denman brush, and I was good to go. Everything else is self-explanatory, so just keep watching for the finished look. Find videos of inspiration to see if anyone else had done this before, and I couldn't find a single video. I saw videos of people turning their headband wig into a flip over method wig, or people turning a headband wig into a high ponytail, but not into a U-part wig or a versatile sew-in. And I did just that. Change the part. But like my hair, this is my hair right here, and this is the extension. And it damn near blends in perfectly, like, right?